This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather a CR 2032 coin cell battery, a small flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Work on a clean table or tray so tiny parts do not roll away. Keep a magnetic dish or small container handy. Before you begin, make sure the car ignition is off and the metal key is removed from your pocket or bag to prevent accidental locking or electrical interference while you handle the fob. Find the seam along the fob edge and insert the small flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch near the metal key ring. Twist gently to separate the two halves without forcing. Use slow, steady pressure to avoid snapping plastic tabs. Remove the old CR 2032 coin cell, note the positive, plus, side orientation. Then place the new CR 2032 in the battery cradle with the plus side up and press, until it seats flush and contacts engage. Align the two plastic halves carefully, ensuring tabs line up, then press around the perimeter until each clip snaps into place and the seam is even. Reinsert the metal key if you removed it and wipe any fingerprints from the battery area. Then stand 3 to 5 feet from the vehicle and test lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm signal strength. If buttons do not work, reopen the fob to verify the CR 2032 is seated, contacts are clean, and try replacing the battery again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.